will discuss about the load balancing feature, how it will behave in terms of MPLS and versus SRv6. So for example, when a packet ingress a PE, what will happen? Basically, it will have a stack of labels. We will have like we will have a fat label. We'll have, for example, MPLS VC. Then we will have a transport label. So it will traverse through this. It will reach to till this point. When it reached till this point, basically, for example, there are some additional label which will be imposed, like MPLS traffic engineering requirement, like FRR to be injected in this, detour path labels, right? So what will happen here is when we have a depth of label stack, right? There are, depending on the ASIC of in this device, what will happen is how far it will able to look at in order to identify the fat label for the load balancing. For example, for RSVP-TE, we need lag for the load balancing. For example, at B2, when it may not able to find basically the fat label because of the limitation, might be because of the limitation of the silicon chip. If no fat label is been there, then it speculate and hash based on the up to layer 4, and then it will use only one link in order to send it through the links. So but when we talk about SRv6 and SRv6, if you see here, we will have the ISIS-v6 end-to-end, and whenever a packet ingress, we will have only one header, and whenever the packet is egressing also, we will have that same header. So in SRv6, what we are leveraging the flow label information. So flow label will remain there end-to-end, and based on this, whenever a packet comes in, that packet will get encapsulated with the IPv6. At midpoint also, it will have the same IPv6 header, the same flow label that has been there, and based on this flow label, it will able to do the load balancing. So one single header with a whole the way throughout the journey, it will have the same information, and it will have a fixed offset outside also in terms of that the encapsulation. It is easy to get the hardware to know the offset, and very easy for the flow information to get use that and then do a load balancing across all the links that is been there. So basically SRv6, if you see, only one encapsulation, which is IPv6, and based on this IPv6 header itself, we will have a flow label information, and based on this flow label, it will have throughout packet ingressing, encapsulating, it will have the same information till the end, and based on this, middle router will leverage on that and then do the load balancing.